Hi everyone, and welcome to my video on 10 useful international travel tips for first-time travelers. If you're planning your first trip abroad, you're probably feeling a mix of excitement and anxiety. That's completely normal, but don't worry. I'm here to help you make sure your trip goes smoothly. So, without further ado, here are my 10 tips. 1. Prepare your travel documents. This is the most important step, so don't forget it. Make sure your passport is up to date and that you have any necessary visas. You may also want to consider getting travel insurance. 2. Research your destination. This will help you plan your trip and make the most of your time abroad. Learn about the local culture, customs, and attractions. You can also read travel blogs and forums to get tips from other travelers. 3. Address money matters. Find out what the currency is in your destination and how much it is worth in your home currency. You may want to exchange some money before you go, but it's also a good idea to bring a credit or debit card that can be used internationally. 4. Compare transportation and accommodation options. There are many different ways to get around and stay in a foreign country. Do some research to find the best options for your budget and travel style. 5. Book everything in advance. This will help you save time and money, and it will also give you peace of mind knowing that everything is taken care of. 6. Avoid travel fatigue. Jet lag can be a real pain, so try to adjust your sleep schedule before you go. You may also want to pack some eye masks and earplugs to help you sleep on the plane. 7. Prioritize your health and safety. Make sure you have a first aid kit and that you know what to do in case of an emergency. You should also be aware of the local health risks and how to protect yourself. 8. Pack appropriately. This is a tricky one because you don't want to overpack, but you also don't want to forget anything important. Pack for the weather you'll be experiencing and be sure to include comfortable walking shoes. 9. Read up on airport travel tips. This will help you make your way through the airport smoothly and efficiently. You should also know what to do if your flight is delayed or canceled. 10. Be flexible and adaptable. Things don't always go according to plan when you're traveling, so it's important to be flexible and adaptable. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Just take a deep breath and figure out a solution. So those are my 10 tips for first-time international travelers. I hope they help you plan your trip and make the most of your time abroad. If you have any other questions about international travel, be sure to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more travel tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching!